Stop just watching cricket. What if your predictions could win you an official IPL jersey? So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. In this video, I'm going to share you an amazing opportunity by Unstop. That is Unstop Prediction League, and it is live. How to participate, all things will cover in this video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. Coming over here directly to the website. So what is happening over here? So here every day at 7 p.m. Okay, you'll be getting 5 prediction based question, match winners, top scorer and more. You have to just pick your answer before the match starts. Okay, every correct prediction will give you 100 points. It is simple. Predict, on and repeat. Okay, so here there are some exciting prizes also. Okay, now here are some exciting prizes also, that is weekly rewards, mega streak rewards. So if you just continue and just have correct answer for 4 consecutive weeks, you'll be getting an official IPL jersey from a champion team. Also for weekly rewards we have, if you are able to score 3000 to 3500 points, you'll be getting Unstop Pro subscription plus backpack, merchandise, participation certificate. So here certificate is for everyone. You'll be getting some merchandise even if you score at least 200 points. Okay. So it's very easy and you can just try your luck. I've attached the link. From there you have to simply register and participate in this event. So this was the quick update, and you can see current prediction is live for week 1. Similarly, it will happen for week 4 also. So even if you have missed week 1, you can just continue from week 2 and 3 and 4. You have multiple times over here. So thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. You can see these are the cool facts you'll be getting. Goodbye. Subscribe for more.